Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, this is the track 6 of learning Microsoft Excel tricks, and in this trick we will be learning in detail with the help of example that how to draw the column chart or graphs in Microsoft Excel. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. And also if you want to learn the Microsoft Excel completely from basics to advanced level, so the videos are available in this channel and you can visit. So let's start that how to draw a column chart or column graph in Microsoft Excel. So let's we go to a data that we have written before, and we have to draw the uh, column chart or column graphs. So this is the data, and we want to find the column graph for the different student versus their obtained marks. So first we will go to the select and select the data, and then we'll go to the insert, and in the insert we will go to the column, and in the column chart we will select any one of our interest. So let's suppose we want to show the answers graph means or the chart in this pattern. So we will select and then we'll click on OK. Now you can see the column chart has been plotted for the data which we have assigned to this uh, graph or chart. So on this x-axis the name of the different student has been given, and on the y-axis their marks obtained has been given. So through this you can draw a column chart or column graph in Microsoft Excel very easily. And also if you want to change the design of your chart or graph, so you can easily change the so you will select and then we'll go to the designs, and in the design these are the different formats, and from here you can select any one. So this is how you can plot the column chart or column graph in Microsoft Excel. So now if you have any question that how to draw the column chart, you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.